Hey, if you're trying to decide if you want to sell your house, there's something really important to understand. Even today, there are still more buyers looking to buy than there are homes available. Now, that may be hard to believe, but it's because the supply of homes for sale is low right now, really low. Take a look at this. This graph shows the active listing counts or homes available for sale each September. If you look at the three bars, you'll see how much inventory we'd have in a normal year for the market. But if, as you look at the red bar, that shows you this September, you'll see we're nowhere near that today. And when inventory is this low, your house is going to be in the spotlight. Buyers need more options, and your house may be just what they're looking for. And when it's the center of attention like that, it could sell fast and get multiple offers, which is going to drive a higher price. So if you want to sell right now, know the market is basically begging for your house. Let's work together, get it listed at the right price so it can get snapped up by eager buyers. I'm Jim Starwell, leader of the Star Home team. Give me a call today.